So that was exhausting and a little confusing. So if you want to see everything that I own for my wardrobe, you can check out kraigadams.com. You can check out my website, kraigadams.com. There's a link in the description. But yeah, it took about a year for me to cut down my clothes to this point, and it is winter in New York City right now. So I definitely have more clothes than I would have if I was in a warmer climate. But I am traveling around at the end of this month a bit to somewhere warmer, so I probably will ditch the sweaters, maybe the coat, the hat, the gloves, stuff like that. If I need clothes for a special event or a dinner or something, I would probably buy it and then return it wherever I am. I want to try to not throw away any clothes, so if I do have to get rid of it, I'll donate it or return it or give it to someone. If you check the links on the website, you'll see that a lot of these clothes are either Amazon or Uniqlo. They're not the most expensive, so we'll see how long they last until the threads start coming undone or I get holes in them. We'll see. I don't know. Life became so much easier when I just got 5 of the same black t-shirt and I just wear that. I don't really care about people seeing me in the same thing 2 days in a row. I used to care about that in like high school. Like I would make sure I didn't wear the same thing the same week. It was like a big worry of mine. Not anymore. Now that I've gotten to this point, clothing just isn't as important to me. I don't worry about it. I don't think about it too much. And yeah, I don't have too many t-shirts or pairs of underwear or socks. If I lived somewhere, if I had an apartment and a lease, I would definitely have more so that I don't have to wash so much. But especially when I work out or sweat or whatever, get dirty, I will wash these by hand in the sink and then hang them up and let them dry overnight. I got most of my clothes because they're thin. There's a little bit of polyester, so you can wring them out and dry them very, very quickly. So with this video, I'm just trying to share what my minimalist wardrobe is. I'm not telling you how to live or what you should do. I don't even know if this is minimalist or if it even matters. Like, minimalism is different for everyone, but to me, this is way less things than I had before, and I'm way more intentional and efficient with what I do own so that I can focus on other things like filmmaking and traveling and meeting up with friends and finding awesome food. These are the things that I'm worried about, and clothing and showing off and fashion is just, I don't care about it anymore. And it's very freeing to me. So once again, if you want to see the exact number of things I have, what I have, and the links, you can check the link in the description, kraigadams.com. It also has all of the filmmaking gear that I use to make this video. It has everything, less than 50 things. And it's changing every day, so obviously, if you see something in this video that's not on the website, that's because I improved, I changed, or maybe I went to Bali and I'm in a warmer climate and I don't need 2 sweatshirts. But thank you for watching. Who knows what I'm up to next. If you want to listen to my current thoughts, the podcast, kraigadams.com/podcast is probably the best place for that. But of course, I'm always posting on Instagram, Twitter, and this YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Take care.